Asclepias syriaca, cornuti, silkweed. Seems to act specially on nervous system and urinary organs. A remedy for dropsy, hepatic, renal or cardiac and postcardial causes diaphoresis and augments the urinary secretion. Acute rheumatic inflammation of large joints. Intermittent pressing down uterine pains. Head feels as if a sharp instrument were thrust through from temple to temple. Constriction across forehead, nervous headache after suppressed perspiration followed by increased urine with increase of specific gravity. Headache from retention of effect matters in system. Relationship compare Asclepias vincetoxicum solo wort dose tincture. Next is Asclepias tuberosa pleurisy root. Its action on the chest muscles is most marked and has been verified. Sick headache with flatulence in stomach and bowels. Dyspepsia, bronchitis and pleurisy come within its range. Catarrhal states from cold and damp weather. Irritation of larynx with huskiness, grip with pleuritic pain. Respiratory. Respiration painful, especially at base of left lung, dry cough, throat constricted, causes pain in head and abdomen. Pain in chest, shooting downward from left nipple. A general eliminative remedy acting specially on the pseudoreaparous glands. Chest pains are relieved by bending forward. Spaces between ribs close to sternum tender. Lancinating pain between shoulders. Catarrh with frontal headache and sticky yellow discharge. Stomach, fullness, pressure, weight. Flatulence after meals, sensitive to tobacco. Rectum, catarrhal dysentery with rheumatic pains all over. Stools smells like rotten eggs. Extremities, rheumatic joints give sensation as if adhesions being broken up on bending. Dose, tincture and first potency. Next is Asimina triloba, American papaw. Produces a series of symptoms much like scarlet fever. Sore throat, fever, vomiting, scarlet eruption, tonsils and submaxillary glands enlarged, with diarrhea, fauces red and swollen, face swollen, desire for ice cold things, hoarseness, languid, drowsy, irritable, acne, itching in evening on undressing. Relationship compare capsicum belladonna. Next up is Asparagus officinalis, common garden asparagus. Its marked and immediate action on the urinary secretion is well known. It causes weakness and cardiac depression with dropsy, rheumatic pains, especially about left shoulder and heart. Head confused, coryza with profuse thin fluid, aching in forehead and root of nose. Migrainous morning headache with scrotoma. Throat feels rough with hawking, copious, tenacious mucus from throat. Urine frequent with fine stitches in orifice of urethra. Burning of peculiar odor. Cystitis with pus, mucus and tenesmus. Lithiasis. Heart palpitation with operation of chest. Pulse intermittent, weak. Pain about left shoulder and heart associated with bladder disturbances. Great operation in breathing, hydrothorax. Extremities, rheumatic pain in back, especially near shoulder and limbs, pain at acromion process of left scapula, under clavicle and down arm with feeble pulse. Relationship, antidote, aconite, apis. Dose, sixth potency.